Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to your English class. How are you all? I'm your class teacher Khadizatul Kubra. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. So what we're gonna do, we will get to know about alphabet A to Z, and we will introduce their phonic sounds also. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, we all know this alphabet. This is capital A and this is small a. Once again, this is capital A, small a. Now we will introduce their phonic sounds. You have to sing this rhyme after me, okay? Let's get started. A is for my apple, juicy and sweet. So A sounds like A. In phonics, A sounds like A. আমরা অ্যালফাবেট এর সাউন্ডটা কেমন হবে, ফনিক সাউন্ডস কেমন হবে, এ। ওকে, ওয়ান মোর টাইম। A is for my apple, juicy and sweet. One more time. A is for my apple, juicy and sweet. Very good. Well done. Okay, we all know this alphabet. This is what? B. Capital B, small b. We already know how to write capital B and small b. So let's learn the phonic sounds. Okay, in phonics, B sounds like B. B. Okay, sing rhyme with me. Ba is for my favorite book with new things to learn. It's neat. One more time. Ba is for my favorite book with new things to learn. It's neat. তাহলে অ্যালফাবেট বি এর ফনিক সাউন্ডসটা কিরকম হবে, বা। বা। কেউ কিন্তু বি বলবে না, ঠিক আছে? আমরা এ বি সি এভাবে করে বলবো না, আমরা ফনিক সাউন্ডস ইউজ করে বলবো। বা ইজ ফর মাই ফেভারিট বুক উইথ নিউ থিংস টু লার্ন। ইটস নিট। রাইমগুলো মুখস্থ করা খুব জরুরি, তাহলে ফনিক সাউন্ডসগুলো কখনো ভুলবে না, ঠিক আছে? অনেকবার প্র্যাকটিস করবে। লেটস মুভ অন। And this is capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. So in phonics, C sounds like kha, kha. Alphabet C এর phonic sounds কেমন হবে, kha, kha. So let's sing the rhyme. Kha is for a cat who purrs and pounces. Once again, Kha is for a cat who purrs and pounces. Meow. Okay, let's move on. This is capital D and small d. We already know how to write capital D and small d. So let's learn the phonic sounds. Da. In phonics, D sounds like da. Da. D tar phonic sound কেমন হবে, da. Okay, let's sing the rhyme. Da is for a dog who barks and bounces. One more time. Da is for a dog who barks and bounces. Coo, coo, coo. Okay, let's move on. We all know this alphabet. This is capital E and small e. And in phonics, E sounds like eh. You have to give this stress. Eh. Capital E এর phonic sounds কেমন হবে, eh. এরকম একটা স্ট্রেস দিতে হবে, শুধু এ বলা যাবে না, ওকে? You have to say eh. So let's sing this rhyme. Eh is for the egg nesting in a tree. One more time. Eh is for the egg nesting in a tree. Very good. Let's move on. This is capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. So what will be the phonic sounds of F? Fa. Yes, F sounds like fa. In phonics, F sounds like fa. F এর phonic soundটা কেমন হবে, fa. So let's sing this rhyme. Fa is for the flowers. Fa is for the flowers. Good, very good. Let's move on. This is capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. So what will be the phonic sounds? In phonics, G sounds like G. G. G এর ফনিক সাউন্ডসটা কেমন হবে? G. আমরা কিন্তু ফনিক সাউন্ডসটা মেইনলি শিখব, ঠিক আছে? এবং ফনিক সাউন্ডস ইউজ করব। কেউ কিন্তু A B C D এভাবে আর বলবো না। আ বা খা যা এভাবে করে শিখতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? So let's sing this rhyme. Ga is for grass, you see. Ga is for grass, you see. Here, grass. Ga is for grass. Ga is for grass, you see. Okay, let's move on. This is capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. So in phonics, H sounds like ha, ha. Okay, one more time. H sounds like ha. H এর phonic soundsটা কেমন হবে? Ha. So let's sing this rhyme. Ha is for my favorite hat that I like to wear. One more time. Ha is for my favorite hat that I like to wear. Ha is for my favorite hat. Ha. You have to sing this rhyme so many times so that you will be able to remember the phonic sounds. Okay? That's why it's important. Let's move on. Okay, this is capital I, small I. So what will be the phonic sounds? E. Yes, in phonics, I sounds like E. You have to say this deeply. তাহলে I এর phonic sound কেমন হবে? E. Okay, let's sing this rhyme. E is for the insect buzzing in the air. E is for the insect buzzing in the air. Very good. Let's move on. This is capital J, small j. Capital J, small j. And in phonics, J sounds like J. J. J sounds like J. তাহলে J এর phonic sounds কেমন হবে? J. Let's sing this rhyme. J is for my jacket. It keeps me warm and dry. J is for my jacket. It keeps me warm and dry. Very good. Let's move on. This is capital K, small k. Capital K, small k. And in phonics, K sounds like K. K sounds like K. K এর phonic soundটা কেমন হবে? K. Alphabet C এবং alphabet K এর phonic sounds একই রকম, K. In British accent and American accent, both accents are same, K. K. So let's sing this rhyme. K is for my kite soaring way up high. One more time. K is for my kite soaring way up high. Very good. Let's move on. This is capital L, small l. Capital L, small l. So in phonics, L sounds like L. L. L এর phonic sounds কেমন হবে? L. L. Okay, let's sing this rhyme. L is for my lunch box that I take to school. L is for my lunch box that I take to school. Good job. Move on. Capital M, small m. So in phonics, M sounds like ma, ma, ma. M এর phonic soundsটা কেমন হবে? Ma, ma. Let's sing this rhyme. Milk starts with ma, drink it every day is the rule. Milk starts with ma, drink it every day is the rule. Good, very good. Let's move on. Capital N, small n. And in phonics, N sounds like na, na, na. N এর phonics soundsটা কেমন হবে? Na. Na is for a nut. Na is for a nut. Very good. Let's move on. Capital O, small o. And in phonics, O sounds like O. O sounds like O. O's for orange, it's good to eat. O's for orange, it's good to eat. Very good. Let's move on. Capital P, small p. And in phonics, P sounds like pa. P এর phonics sounds কেমন হবে? Pa. পা কিন্তু নয়, ঠিক আছে? P এর phonics sounds কিন্তু পা হবে না, ঠিক আছে? কি হবে? পা। এভাবে স্ট্রেস দিতে হবে। পা। দুইটা ঠোঁট ভিতরে নিয়ে তারপরে সাউন্ড করবে। পা। Very good. Pa is for a pear, its most delicious treat. Pa is for a pear, its most delicious treat. Very good. Let's move on. Capital Q, small q. Capital Q, small q. And in phonics, Q sounds like qua. Qua. Like quack, 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 qua. Very good. Okay, let's sing this rhyme. Quail starts with qua. Quail starts with qua. Very good. Let's move on. Capital R, small r. Capital R, small r. And in phonics, R sounds like ra. Ra. R sounds like ra. তাহলে R এর phonic sounds কেমন হবে? Ra. Let's sing this rhyme. Ra is for a rat. Ra is for a rat. Good. Let's move on. Capital S, small s. Capital S, small s. And in phonics, S sounds like sa. Sa. Okay? S এর phonic sounds কেমন হবে? Sa. Sa is for the squirrel with his little head a bobbing. Sa is for the squirrel with his little head a bobbing. Very good. Let's move on. Capital T, small t. And in phonics, T sounds like ta. Ta. শুধু টা বলা যাবে না কিন্তু, ঠিক আছে? একটু আগে আমরা যেমন শিখেছি পিটাকে পা বলা যাবে না, ফা বলতে হবে। ওকে, এই সাউন্ডটা হচ্ছে ফা। এরকম টি এর সাউন্ডটা হচ্ছে ঠা। এরকম স্ট্রেস দিতে হবে, ঠা। টা বলা যাবে না, ওকে? ঠা। ঠা। So let's sing this rhyme. Ta is for our secret tree. It is yours and mine. One more time. Ta is for our secret tree. It is yours and mine. Very good. Let's move on. Capital U, small u. But in phonics, U sounds like ah. U এর phonic sounds কেমন হবে? Ah. Ah. Look underneath a valentine. Look underneath a valentine. Very good. Let's move on. Capital V, small v. In phonics, V sounds like va. Va. V sounds like va. You see a va for van. You see a va for van. Va for van. Very good. Let's move on. Capital W, small w. Capital W, small w. And in phonics, W sounds like wa. Wa. Wow. Wa. W soundsটা কেমন হবে? Phonic sounds wa. Wow. Wa. Y is for the wishes, wishes that I sent. Y is for the wishes, wishes that I sent. Very good. Let's move on. Capital X, small x. And in phonics, X sounds like x. X. X soundsটা কেমন হবে? Phonics x. For X or extra special, I'm glad you are my friend. For X or extra special, I'm glad you are my friend. Very good. Let's move on. Capital Y, small y. And in phonics, Y sounds like ya. ya, ya. Okay, let's sing this rhyme. Ya is just for you and me. For you this song I sing. Ya is just for you and me. For you this song I sing. Very good. Let's move on. Capital Z, small z. Capital Z, small z. And in phonics, Z sounds like Z, Z, zing, Z. আমরা যেমন অ্যালফাবেট জে এর সাউন্ডটা ছিল যা, ঠিক সেরকম জেড এর সাউন্ড হচ্ছে যা। দুটো কিন্তু ডিফারেন্ট, একসঙ্গে মিলিয়ে বলা যাবে না। যা, যা। From A to Z, I like you. You make my heart go zing, zing. From A to Z, I like you. You make my heart go zing, zing. Very good. Now, last but not least, we will sing the rhyme and once again get to know the phonic sounds, okay? Abacada, faga, haijaka, lamana, opa, kwarasata, avawa, x, ya, za. Abacada, faga, haijaka, lamana, opa, kwarasata, avawa, x, ya, za, 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 za. A is for the apple, juicy and sweet. B is for the book, with new things to learn, it's neat. K is for a cat, who purrs and pounces, meow. D is for the dog, who barks and bounces, coo coo. E is for the egg, nesting in a tree. F is for the flower, G for grass, you see. H is for my favorite hat that I like to wear. E is for the insect buzzing in the air. J is for my jacket, keeps me warm and dry. K is for my kite, soaring way up high. L is for my lunch box that I take to school. Milk starts with ma, drink it every day's the rule. N is for a nut, O's for orange, P is for a pear, which is most delicious treat. Quail starts with qua, Ra is for a rat, Sa is for the squirrel with his little head a bobbing. Ta is for our secret tree, it is yours and mine. Look underneath you, you see Ava for Valentine. Y is for the wishes, wishes that I sent for extra special. I'm glad you are my friend. Ya is for you and me, for you this song I sing. From A to Z, I like you, you make my heart go zing, zing. Very good, well done.